When is it time to replace my Caterpillar C15 camshaft? You may experience a drop in engine performance, engine knocking, and engine stalling. Avoid any impacts while on the job. Get back on the road with a C15 camshaft from America's trusted diesel engine parts supplier. Contact the experts at Highway and Heavy Parts, where we provide education, online resources, technical knowledge, and service, getting you back on the road. With this new camshaft for the Caterpillar C15, there's no need to put your engine at risk. Replace your worn-out camshaft with a new one to restore your C15's performance. Valve timing can be affected as much as 3 degrees when there is as little as 0.001 wear to a camshaft, making replacement critical. Don't sacrifice quality when you don't have to. This camshaft comes from a modern facility that has state-of-the-art equipment and advanced methods for production, inspection, and analysis. All parts are made to OEM specifications and are thoroughly inspected to ensure proper fit and finish. With technical knowledge, quality parts, and accurate ordering, Highway and Heavy Parts can help you save time in the service bay and maximize your time on the road. Backed by a 1-year parts warranty and industry-leading service from our ASE certified parts technicians. From purchase to installation, Highway and Heavy Parts has you covered. Connect with Highway and Heavy Parts for industry-leading technical knowledge, quality diesel parts, and fast shipping from America's trusted diesel engine parts supplier. Order now by calling 844-447-1453 or visit us online at highwayandheavyparts.com. From diagnosis through delivery, we're Highway and Heavy Parts.